Mikey, welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage, and today we're going to be fixing a gas leak on a 2005 Harley Sportster. And if you want to know how we fix it, stay tuned. So the problem is, when we start the engine, gas pools up right here. So we've identified that the leak is coming from the accelerator pump, which is right here. It's actually pretty easy to get to, as it only has 3 screws. Take off the 3 screws and replace the rubber diaphragm. So there's the inside of the accelerator pump. You gotta replace this diaphragm and those 2 O-rings. And if you can, replace the spring. So this is the stuff that we replaced, and the accelerator pump is back on. No more leaks. And that's the end of this video. If you want to see more Harley Davidson content, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below if you want to see more. Bye!